Welcome! If you're looking to log out from linked devices on the Facebook app using your PC, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step to make sure your Facebook account stays secure and you have complete control over where you're logged in. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open up a menu with several options. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. From there, select Settings. This will take you into the main settings area where you can manage everything about your account. Now, look for the section called Account Center. Click to enter, and then head over to Password and Security. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your logins and keep your account protected. Inside the Password and Security section, you'll see an option called Where You're Logged In. Click on this, and you'll get a detailed list of all the devices where your Facebook account is currently active. This is a great way to spot any unfamiliar devices or sessions. Choose your account from the list if you have more than one linked. Then, click on Select Devices to log out. You'll now see all the devices where your account is logged in. Carefully review the list and select the devices you want to log out from. This is especially useful if you've logged in on a public computer or a friend's device and forgot to log out. Once you've selected the devices, simply click Log Out. Facebook will immediately end those sessions, giving you peace of mind that your account is secure. And that's it! You've successfully logged out from linked devices on the Facebook app using your PC. Remember to check this section regularly to keep your account safe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay secure online.